Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip, I'm just going to step into the shade here, is something I do quite regularly. I try and think of a few words, perhaps an anagram, perhaps alliterative, um, that can help me convey to a student what gets done most of the time, all the time, or anytime we do this. So maybe something that would suit every Qigong, and it's just a scratch pad, it's a playground, it's an experiment. It might not make it into the book, but for now, this seems, yeah, that does cover every Qigong. Or every time we step, here's the three things we do, and I figured out that I can help people remember them if they each start with the W, or they spell something as an anagram, like STEP. Every time we step, we sense, then we T something, then we experience something, and then we push off or something. I don't know. So I have a bunch of these that I've done, dozens, hundreds, I don't know. So for example, I have here at the bottom of the list, I don't know if that's an oldest or latest, a sense that there is a call to my energies, a collection of my energies, a coalescence of my energies, a circulation of those energies, a coordination of the parts of the body, and then a concentration as I direct myself to the task. So those are all C words, and so I might use those to teach. Easy for people to note take. So I'd invite you to kind of figure out your own. They don't have to be comprehensive or perfect, but might they allow you to make something memorable in a graph or a meme in a book or a class, or perhaps for yourself? So thank you very much. Enjoy the writing of and sharing and testing out of your checklist. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the tips. They really helped me stay in business and stay alive. This last one, I'll show you ways to get in touch with me on my link tree. So appreciate all the support and shares. Thank you.